is it a bug catcher?
Yay! Yes!
Oh, an M&M carrot. Oh, a chocolate bunny.
You can take a picture.
Okay, in a minute. Roxy, what did you get, baby girl? Candy? Oh, yes, I see that. You're already eating your candy. Is it delicious? Oh, you're going to share with me? Thank you. What color is it? Oh, more? Thanks.
She's showing you the color. It's green. Oh! Easter Bunny chocolate!
Yeah.
I always wanted this.
Yeah. Whoa, you got a mouthful already, baby girl.